Jimmy, please say you wait for me. I'll grow up, someday you'll see. 7 of my kisses just for you. Solid love forever true.
Johnny was the girl who lived next door. I've known her, I guess, 10 years or more. Johnny wrote me a note one day, and this is what she had to say.
Please say you wait for me. I'll grow up, someday you'll see. 7 of my kisses just for you. Solid love forever true.
Slowly, till note once more. Then I went over to the house next door. Their teardrops feel like green dusty. When I told Joan what I had to say. Johnny, please don't cry. You'll forget me by and by. You're just 15, I'm 22. And Johnny, I just can't live for you. Son, I left a little hometown, got me a job and tried to settle down, but these words keep haunting my memory. The words that Johnny said to me.
Please say you wait for me. I'll grow up, someday you'll see. 7 of my kisses just for you. Solid love forever true.
Pack my clothes and I took a plane. I had to say June, I had to explain how my heart was filled with her memory, and asked my Johnny if she'd marry me. I ran all the way to the house next door, but things weren't like they were before. My teardrops fell like green dusting when I heard what Johnny had to say.
Jimmy, please don't cry. You forget me by and by. It's been 5 years that you've been gone. I never